Welcome to this tutorial on how to backtest indicators on MetaTrader 4. Backtesting is a crucial step for any trader looking to understand how a trading strategy would have performed in the past. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to effectively backtest your indicators. First, open your MetaTrader 4 platform and make sure you have the historical data needed for the currency pair you plan to backtest. You can download this data by going to the Market Watch window, right-clicking on the currency pair, and selecting Download Historical Data. Once you have your data, go to the Tools menu, then select Options, and ensure that the Enable Automated Trading option is checked. Next, apply the indicators you wish to test on the chart. For this, right-click on the chart, select Indicators List, and then add the indicators you want to analyze. Make any necessary adjustments to the parameters of the indicators according to your trading strategy. After setting up your indicators, you need to prepare the Strategy Tester by selecting View from the top menu, then Strategy Tester. In the Strategy Tester window, choose the indicator you want to backtest and set the time frame you are interested in. Finally, click on Start to begin the backtesting process. As the test runs, you will see how the indicators perform over the selected historical data. Take notes on the outcomes and adjustments you might need to make for your trading strategy. After finishing the backtest, you can review and analyze the results to improve your approach before trading in real time. Thank you for watching this tutorial on backtesting indicators on MetaTrader 4.